I have with me an ITEL 2160 cell phone right here. Initially, if I press the power button, it will just show the ITEL logo and stop there. But I really don't know what happened and can't get anything right now. So I'm thinking it's something related to the software. So I will try to flash this phone and download the firmware and see if it would work. This is me pressing the power button and nothing is happening. Nothing is happening. Let me just try to charge it and see if it will take a charge. Nothing. Let's dive in and see what we can do. If you check on this folder, I have the software opened. This is the ITEL 2160 firmware. We are going to be using MTK Flash Tool. Look for this particular icon. Look at this icon. Look for this icon. Double click it and it will come up. What should we do next is to load the scatter file. This is the firmware. So what I'll do is click, I know the location, desktop. Yes, this is it. This is it. ITEL 2160 firmware. Yeah, this is what you need. So just click on this file and open. It will automatically load it on the MTK Flash Tool. I'm not formatting. What I need is to click on download. At this point, what I'll do is to plug the USB wire to the cell phone and see what will happen. Okay, something is going on. So I have to wait. Yeah, it's done. It's done. I need to unplug the USB cord. Try to switch on the phone and see if it will work. Yeah, it worked. So that is how you can flash cell phones like this using the MTK Flash Tool. Subscribe to my channel if you like this video and click on the bell icon for more notification.